My gosh, guys, look what we were
This
just jumping.
birdie ran into that window.
Dude, we think his wings really hurt.
He doesn't want to move.
I think he feels like kind of a little safe with us, cause like so we're gonna keep him right there. Hey, let's go put him on my porch somewhere.
Yeah.
So we can try to start flying. Guys, this is so sad. We were just doing some backflips and stuff.
This bird is old. He has gray hairs. Look. You know, I think he's about to die. He has gray hairs. He could be blind.
No, cause then, hey, right here.
No, but where's your dog? Can't get him. We need him in a safe spot. You know, the safest place I say is in them bushes.
Alright. It's gonna be alright, little buddy.
Yo.
Guys, this is big.
Yeah, he's scared.
Don't let him take a poop in your shirt.
Yo, there's white stuff coming out of him.
Alright, guys. We're gonna put him in some of these bushes to
Hey, buddy.
make sure he doesn't get hurt. He's really scared.
Yeah. That's not poop. That's just, it's funny.
Dookie.
Ow, fuck.
Yeah! He started flying!
Yay! He's been perfect this whole time. I think
Oh, he's right there!
yeah. I think he just needed to get the sense knocked into him. Hey. Yo.
He understands. He understands that we were helping him.
Yeah.
This is a crazy moment, guys.
Yeah. He won't let go.
Keep him right there. Alright, guys, we're gonna end it off right here.
Yo!
Yo.
I got a birdie!
He trusts us. He definitely trusts us.